this algebraically with the integration by parts. So all this is multiplied here, even though I put parentheses in here, I'm going to kind of ignore them. I can pull the pi out in front and carry it along, multiply by the integration by parts, or I can make the pi part of the u. It doesn't really matter. Whatever you feel comfortable with, I'm going to make it part of the u. So I'm going to let the u equal the pi x squared. Treat it like a number. And then the dv is going to be e to the 0.4x. Okay, doing derivative here, 2 pi x. I know this will come down to 0 here eventually, so I'm just going to keep doing derivative. Derivative of x is 1, so I'm down to 2 pi. 2 pi is a number like 6 point whatever. Derivative of that is 0. So I'm going to integrate at least 3 times here. So, integrating, think of the dx. I need a 0.4, so I need a 1 over 0.4. So 1 over 0.4 e to the 0.4x. Okay, again, I need a 0.4, so I need another 1 over 0.4. Multiply by the one that's there, that's going to give me 1 over, I believe, 1.6? No, 0.16. Let me double check that before I make a mistake. 0.4 times 0.4 should be 0.16. Okay, e to the 0.4x. And then one more time, I need a 0.4 here, so I need another 1 over 0.4. So 0.16 times another 0.4 is 1 over 0.064 e to the 0.4x. So now the integration by parts, multiply, 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 integrate. Positive, negative, positive, negative. So my volume will be 1 over 0.4 e to the 0.4x pi x squared minus 2 pi over 0.16 x e to the 0.4x. And my last one here is going to be plus 2 pi over 0.064 e to the 0.4x. And then integrating 0, 0. I don't need a plus c because I'm evaluating from 0 to 1. Okay, I think to make my life a little bit easier, I'm going to factor this so I don't have to type all of this in, because there's an e to the 0.4x on all of these, and there's a pi on all of these. I'm going to take that out. The pi e to the 0.4x. That will leave 1 over 0.4x squared minus 2 over 0.16 x plus, take the pi away, 2 over 0.064, and that's out. I think that's a little bit quicker for me to type in. So y equals pi e raised to the 0.4x. Don't forget parentheses around that exponent if your calculator's like mine. And then times 1 divided by 0.4x squared minus 2 divided by 0.16x plus 2 divided by 0.064. 1 is 99.592 minus the 0 does have a value, 98.175. Doing the subtracting, not much volume here. Oops. 1.417 cubic units. Okay. Your assignment to finish up 9-3 is page 444, 27 to 32, 43, 44, and 45. Okay.